In this video, I'm going to show you how to demo trade on CMC markets. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Google or whatever you are using, and you want to type in CMC markets demo. Then you want to click on either here or here, and it's going to basically take you to their official website and allow you to create a demo account. So you want to click on open a demo account over here, and then from here, you want to type in your email, okay? So just like this, it's going to be the email you want to use to actually sign into your demo account. And you can also set a password over here. So as you can see right now, it says I'm already registered. That's because I am. And then you want to go and type in your password as well. So I'm just going to select a sample password over here. Then you want to select if you want to use MetaTrader 4 or CMC platform, and you want to click on continue. Now, whenever you do this, you have to choose your account type. So there's a bunch of different ones. I'm just going to go with this one and click on create your account. And of course, whenever you've done this, it's going to say congratulations, your demo has been created. You can click on continue over here, and that's going to take you to your platform over here, okay? Of course, if you've selected MT4, you could connect to MT4 as well, MetaTrader 4. I do have a separate video on exactly how to do this. Now, whenever you do this, you can go and customize the platform. You can have light or dark mode and click on next. You can then go and choose your layout, and you can also choose your preferred asset classes you want to use. I'm gonna pick all and click on done. Now, whenever you do that, if you want a platform tour, click on here. But if you're ready, you can just click on start trading, and there we go. That's all you have to do to demo trade, okay? In here, of course, you can then go ahead and find whatever you want. So here's your product library. You can go and find whatever you want to trade. So if I go to, let's just do like some currencies, I'm going to click on Euro USD over here. It's going to pop up here on the chart, as you can see. And of course, you can go ahead and then start trading. So up top right over here, you can see you can create orders. You can click on either this button or this button over here, and you'll be able to either sell or buy, and then do it that way, okay? Now, that's essentially how to trade. It's that simple. And of course, you could also press on these two buttons over here to buy or sell, and you are good to go. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.